7 days and where our temperatures are headed, even going through the middle of next week. Each day is still well above average. Today may be closest to our record. Even if we don't hit 90, we're going to get very close to it. And while the numbers come down a little bit going into the weekend, we're going to have humidity that becomes more noticeable by then, and that means these low 80s may feel just a couple of degrees warmer. Beyond that, though, going into the middle of next week, we're going to get just as warm as we get today, and I'm seeing some signs that maybe by the middle to second part of next week, we could have our first 90-degree day on the map. It's entirely possible. This is when you hope that the humidity doesn't get intolerable. It will change. We're not going to go off the charts here, but let me show you when that happens, because today we are definitely in the dry, very comfortable air. No worries in that respect, but starting tomorrow, now the mugginess becomes at least a bit more noticeable, helping to fuel rainfall chances that will take us into the weekend. Same will hold true for Saturday, and so that does make it a little more uncomfortable in those moments where we do have sunshine in between any showers that we'll get. This morning, though, it is nice and clear. We don't have the thick fog of yesterday morning. It's mostly mid-50s. We're still holding steady at 65 in Atlanta. And taking a look at the hour-by-hour forecast, the only clouds today will be just those puffy cumulus clouds that pass by every now and then. Certainly not getting rain from those. And then overnight, okay, now more cloud cover is starting to roll in. And near sunrise tomorrow, we'll have mostly cloudy conditions. Maybe a few areas over north and northwest Georgia that briefly get some showers. But when I put this in motion going into tomorrow afternoon, not many places measure rain or measure much. Anything that passes by should be very brief, but this is what sets in motion several days of rainfall chances, expecting the wettest to be Saturday. Not that it's raining constantly even Saturday, but Saturday morning, you see some areas with rainfall. Mid to late morning, that might be when we get some of our better breaks around and south of metro Atlanta, but then it kind of flares back up in that afternoon warmth, then leaving us with lower rainfall chances for the second half of the weekend. So the story today, very warm, near records, but not humid. Look at how close to 90 it could get in a few spots, though, especially that 89-degree temperature in Athens. And with a mostly cloudy sky tonight, temperatures will be in the 60s. From there, your Fox 5 storm team forecast, no huge changes in temperatures, but big changes in rainfall chances. After we have a few more afternoon showers and storms Sunday and Monday, we'll be back to dry weather starting Tuesday. Ron and Alex?
Yeah.